Waqf law. Amid the uproar over centre's Waqf law, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has slammed the centre with regards to the law. Owaisi has said Waqf law has been unconstitutional. New law is a threat to all the Waqf properties. Will Sambhal Mosque remain a Waqf property? That's the big question, and these are questions that are being raised by the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi.
20 अप्रैल के दिन शाम में 7 बजे से 10 बजे तक ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड की जानिब से वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2025 के खिलाफ एक प्रोटेस्ट मीटिंग, पब्लिक मीटिंग रखी जा रही है और जिसकी सदारत ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड के सदर मौलाना खालिद सैफुल्लाह रहमानी साहब करेंगे। मशाइखीन इस प्रोटेस्ट पब्लिक मीटिंग में हिस्सा लेंगे, उलमा इकराम इस पब्लिक मीटिंग में हिस्सा भी लेंगे और अपनी स्पीचेस और अपने खिताबात के जरिए आवाम को बताएंगे कैसा ये वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल वक्फ के मफाद में नहीं है। हमारे भारत के आइन के आर्टिकल 14 का, आर्टिकल 15 का, आर्टिकल 25, आर्टिकल 26 और आर्टिकल 29 का एक ग्रेव वायलेशन है।
My colleague Apurva is now joining me on the story. Apurva, very clearly we have heard the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi saying that Waqf is unconstitutional and also asking questions. Will the mosque in Sambhal remain a Waqf property?
Well, clearly, we're seeing strong comments coming in there from Asaduddin Owaisi. In fact, he's also slammed Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu, wherein he said that on one side, Mr. Naidu is talking about non-Hindus not to be employed as TTD, but on the other side, look at what he's doing. Is this the hypocrisy of Naidu? Is what Owaisi is also saying. So strong statements clearly coming in there from Mr. Owaisi. In fact, he also says the Waqf Amendment Bill is unconstitutional and a violation of Article 14 and 26. And the AIMIM is also, planning to hold a massive public meeting against the Waqf Amendment Bill on April 19th.
Right, Apurva, you were also speaking about the fact that Asaduddin Owaisi mentioned that what Chandrababu Naidu has been doing is not correct. In fact, politically also, we have seen the opposition parties raising fingers at BJP's allies and saying that they actually do not favor the Waqf, but they are only doing it because of political compression.
Well, yes, we've seen even the JDU, we've seen, and several other opposition parties as well, and NDA parties there who have been talking about the bill and how it has been passed. In fact, opposition parties have strongly stated how this bill is unconstitutional. And that's what we're also seeing, Mr. Owaisi there also speaking. In fact, speaking there in the parliament session as well, he had voiced out very strongly his opinions on the same. And now we are seeing where he talks about how there is going to be a massive protest, or rather a massive public meeting that will be held against the Waqf Amendment Bill as well. Earlier on, we saw how, at the parliament as well, Mr. Owaisi had talked about how strongly this bill was unconstitutional and, a violation of, Article 14 and 26. And now, not only Owaisi, but several others, including, be it Tamil Nadu Chief Minister or, Kerala and other states as well in the opposition, Mamata Banerjee, all of them, you saw how they were vehemently against the bill and they were opposing it, saying it is, it's an unconstitutional bill.
Right. Thank you, Apurva, for giving us those details. Let's once again listen in to what AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi is speaking with regards to the Waqf law.
20 अप्रैल के दिन शाम में 7 बजे से 10 बजे तक ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड की जानिब से वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2025 के खिलाफ एक प्रोटेस्ट मीटिंग, पब्लिक मीटिंग रखी जा रही है और जिसकी सदारत ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड के सदर मौलाना खालिद सैफुल्लाह रहमानी साहब करेंगे। मशाइखीन इस प्रोटेस्ट पब्लिक मीटिंग में हिस्सा लेंगे। उलमा इकराम इस पब्लिक मीटिंग में हिस्सा भी लेंगे और अपनी स्पीचेस और अपने खिताबात के ज़रिए आवाम को बताएंगे कैसा ये वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल वक्फ के मुफाद में नहीं है। हमारे भारत के आइन के आर्टिकल 14 का, आर्टिकल 15 का, आर्टिकल 25, आर्टिकल 26 और आर्टिकल 29 का एक ग्रेव वायलेशन है।